Hi everyone. So for those of you who will watch this video, probably you are playing this game as well. So I am at the night 18 of this game, which is as of today is the final stage of this game where about 6 to 7 players would have to secure this room. So as I've figured out, whenever anyway you if you see the monster with the yellow hair, uh, there are 16 left from 43. So as I've noticed by playing this game for about a week, in this part of stage where you reach about below 20 monsters left, once you use the Angel's Guardian button at the bottom right of the screen, sometimes the bug will gonna occur, and it will gonna and the door and your door will gonna be immune from the monster's damage. So you will have time to upgrade your room, your what do you call this, your torrents, and secure everything like what I'm doing. And as I've experienced as well, once you upgrade your door, the bug will gonna be vanished. So your door would gonna get the damage from the monsters. So at this moment, if I'm gonna do that, the monster will gonna destroy it right away. So once you reach this point, you must build everything, and then and this is the secret that I've uh, learned from playing this game. If you see this Taoist mirror, it will gonna damage the monster health by 1% every time they hit the door. So I made a lot of it, and some of this trap, so whenever they get low in XP, it will gonna hold them for about 3 seconds, so you'll be able to kill them. So what I'm going to do right now is upgrade everything. Then after that, I'm gonna click the Angel's Guardian for another time, then upgrade the door so the bug will gonna get banished, and the Taoist mirror will gonna work to damage them. Hopefully it will work, so I'll be able to finish this game, because I just figure it out right now, and you're gonna witness if I am right or wrong, because this part of the this final stage is a little bit tricky. Imagine a monster, just one monster can destroy your door in just a swing. So this Angel Guardian, uh, here the yellow button will gonna give you about 20 seconds. Let me check it first. And it will gonna give you shield for about 20 seconds. So within that 20 seconds, the Taoist mirror will gonna work its effect to destroy all of that monsters. So I got the maximum build for my bed, so I got enough electricity to upgrade it right away, while the Angel's Guardian is uh, effective. And 16, oh, actually I have 17 million, so I'll be able to upgrade my turrets. So I have 7 turrets, and the early part of this game, this cross will help you a lot. It will gonna stun the monster for about 3 seconds or less, so you'll be able to hit them before they be able to get away because they got stunned. So we have to wait for at least I think this is the maximum. Oh no, the maximum is, oh my god, see, without doing anything, the door suddenly, oh man. Anyway, I think that trick will gonna work, but for this time I wasn't able to click the Angel's Guardian right away, and there the door suddenly break and the monsters entered the room. And oh my god, it took me 52 minutes just to set things up and give the final blow, but it did not work. But as others people others as I've, what do you call this, as I've searched the net, I heard someone or somebody who finished it for about 5 hours. 5 hours. It took them 5 hours to finish the game. But I think the trick that I'm doing or I'm trying to do right now is more faster than the thing that he does. You must summon the you must wait until all the monsters get summoned before you uh, click the Angel's Guardian and break the bug by upgrading your door. So I hope I'm gonna make another video for this I'm gonna make the same kind of video and share it with you and finish it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and tangina, hirap mag-English. Mga Pilipinong lalaro dyan, alam niyo yung, ay nako, ewan.